Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. He is Mr. Arun, our client. He has bought resale property in Whitefield, Bangalore. We have renovated his house from floor to ceiling and we would like to know renovation experience with Inkstone Infra.
Hello everyone, my name is Arun, as he said. This is the first time we got a so I remember the first time I met Mr. Siddharth. You know how it came is quite an interesting story in itself. We were quite apprehensive with the buying a resale property, and I think that would be a common what to say common experience by any other guy. But at the same time, we already approached prior to this some around 8 to 9 other interiors. Some members, to be honest, they are quite established and brand interiors, and they outrightly said they will not be able to do so much renovation. And some members, they agreed that they will do renovation, but in that, I mean, the kind of professionalism was missing. So I thought, okay, it's not the right. These are not the persons whom I want to approach to. But at the same time, I got one. It's a ray in a hope. You know, I just was watching some YouTube videos, and in a flash, I received Inkstone Infra. I was pleasantly surprised because they are from civil background. I mean, Mr. Siddharth himself is from civil engineer. He is a civil engineer. I thought, okay, these are the persons I want to approach to and get my house renovated at any cost. Reason, another reason is because I saw in the visualization in the YouTube videos that was a proof that they were able to do it something and they are able to achieve probably, to be honest, today I would say more than what I thought. But at that time, I had thought, okay, these members will do their job well. Today, I am proudly like to convey to every person I had done a good decision in my life. The starting, the day I think that was some time back. First day when I met Siddharth, I had given him. I had told him at that time it would be around some half the budget of what I wanted, and he came. To be honest, along with me, even my brother was there, and we both knew that it would cross what we had told, but he still was hopeful. He was trying his level best, and he was saying, "Okay, you are having quite a lot of renovation. You need to change your flooring. You need to change. I mean, there are some issues with the balcony. There are some issues with your toilet, or sorry, bathrooms, and there are some issues. There was a wash basin over here, and that wash basin was poorly engineered. And as a layman, I could say that was a problem. And he observed it. He calmly understood our requirement, patiently heard us, and later he gave a rough estimate on the spot. I mean, I hardly have seen any person who gave the rough estimate right on the spot, but I still was hopeful. Okay, he was able to do, because we knew, okay, this would cross our budget, but still, that what we do, what we will get at the end, will be the best thing. And to be honest, it didn't cross too much up from our budget, but at the same time, it exceeded our expectations today. And I can proudly tell to anybody, if you want to approach any person, just approach Mr. Siddharth.
Thanks a lot.